Have you ever wondered why higher-order thinking skills are crucial in the educational landscape? Higher-order thinking skills, or HOT, represent a complex level of thinking that extends beyond the mere recollection of facts. These skills encompass analysis, evaluation, and creation, thereby equipping students with the ability to retain information and apply problem-solving solutions to real-life situations. It's worth noting that thinking skills are intrinsically linked to literacy and numeracy skills. The ability to think critically allows learners to engage with texts and information in a meaningful manner, using them purposefully to make informed decisions. A curriculum that emphasizes higher-order thinking skills primarily prepares students to tackle the challenges they will encounter in their adult working life and daily activities. Bloom's taxonomy stands as a useful tool for fostering higher-order thinking skills. This framework categorizes educational objectives into 6 levels of cognitive complexity, ranging from simple recall to complex evaluation and creation. To illustrate how Bloom's taxonomy can be applied, imagine a set of reading comprehension questions for a fictional text based on the different levels of the taxonomy. For example, under the remembering level, questions could include, who were the characters in the story, or list 6 facts about the story. Progressing to the understanding level, questions might delve deeper, asking students to explain the main problem of the story and how it was solved, or retell the story in 3 sentences. As we move up the taxonomy to applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating, the questions become more complex, requiring students to apply their knowledge, analyze the text, evaluate the story and its characters, and even create their own narrative. Through the application of Bloom's taxonomy and the posing of these types of questions, educators can effectively help students cultivate higher-order thinking skills. These skills not only enhance academic performance, but also prepare students for success in real-world situations, making them invaluable assets in the quest for knowledge and understanding. In conclusion, higher-order thinking skills and Bloom's taxonomy are crucial components of a well-rounded education, enabling students to analyze, evaluate, create, and ultimately make sense of the world around them.